Mastering AI for content creation, top tools and tips for 2025. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. AI is changing the game, and I'm not just talking about self-driving cars. We're talking about revolutionizing the way we create content in 2025 and beyond. Today we're diving deep into the world of AI tools that can help you streamline your workflow, boost your output, and even generate some serious passive income streams. We're talking text generation, image creation, music composition, you name it, there's probably an AI tool for that. We'll break down the top tools, explore their capabilities, and show you how to leverage them to your advantage. So, buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started.
Alright, let's kick things off with the heavy hitters. The generative AI platforms that are changing the way we think about creativity. First up, we've got GPT-4. Think of it as the wordsmith on steroids. It can generate incredibly human-like text, from blog posts and articles to social media captions and even scripts like the one I'm reading right now. And the best part? It's constantly learning and evolving, so the possibilities are pretty much endless. But hold on, it doesn't stop there. We've got Midjourney and DALL-E 2, the Picassos of the AI world. These platforms can generate stunning, high-quality images from simple text prompts. Need an image for your blog post? A cover for your next single, or even just some abstract art to spice up your living room? These tools have got you covered. And for all the music lovers out there, AI's got something for you too. Platforms like AIVA, the artificial intelligence virtual artist, are composing original pieces of music in a variety of styles and genres. Imagine having AI create a custom soundtrack for your video project, or even generating royalty-free music for your podcast. The future of music is here. But what about code, you ask? Well, AI's got that covered too. Platforms like GitHub Copilot are like having a coding buddy who can auto-complete your thoughts. They can help you write code faster, cleaner, and with fewer errors. Now here's where things get really interesting. Passive income. Imagine using GPT-4 to write an ebook, DALL-E 2 to create the cover art, and then selling it online while you sleep. Or how about using AI-generated music in your YouTube videos and earning ad revenue?
The potential is huge, and we're just scratching the surface.
These generative AI platforms are not just tools. They're creative partners that can help you bring your ideas to life in ways you never thought possible.
Okay, so we've talked about creating amazing content. Now let's talk about getting that content in front of the right people and turning views into revenue. That's where AI-powered marketing and sales tools come in. Imagine this, you create a killer piece of content, but it gets lost in the sea of the internet. Frustrating, right? Well, AI can help you cut through the noise and reach your target audience. Platforms like Jasper.ai and Copy.ai are like having a whole marketing team at your fingertips. They can help you craft compelling ad copy, write engaging social media posts, and even generate personalized email campaigns that convert. But AI isn't just about words. Platforms like HubSpot and Salesforce Einstein are using the power of AI to analyze customer data and provide you with actionable insights. They can help you understand your audience better, identify trends, and personalize your marketing efforts for maximum impact. Imagine chatbots that can answer customer questions, resolve issues, and even recommend products tailored to their individual needs. That's the power of AI-powered customer service, and it's changing the way businesses interact with their customers. Platforms like Google AdSense and affiliate marketing programs make it easier than ever to monetize your content. And with AI-powered tools, you can optimize your campaigns, track your results, and maximize your earnings. So, whether you're an entrepreneur, a freelancer, or just someone who wants to make the most of their online presence, AI-powered marketing and sales tools are essential. They can help you save time, reach new customers, and ultimately grow your business. It's time to ditch the old-school marketing playbook and embrace the future of AI-driven growth. All right, let's talk about securing the bag. We're not talking about side hustles here. We're talking about putting your money to work for you in the world of AI-driven investing. This isn't about replacing your financial advisor. It's about adding some serious brainpower to your investment strategy. Now, I'm not a financial expert, but I know a game changer when I see one. And AI-driven investing platforms are definitely changing the game. These platforms use sophisticated algorithms and machine learning to analyze market trends, identify investment opportunities, and even manage your portfolio for you.
Think of it like having a team of Wall Street analysts working around the clock to grow your wealth. Platforms like Q.ai, Kahoot, and Trade Ideas are making investing more accessible and potentially more profitable for everyone. They take the guesswork out of investing, helping you make informed decisions based on data, not emotions. These platforms use a variety of strategies, from technical analysis and sentiment analysis to natural language processing and even deep learning. They can analyze massive amounts of data, identify patterns that humans might miss, and make predictions about future market movements. Investing is risky, but AI-driven investing platforms can help mitigate some of that risk by diversifying your portfolio, rebalancing it automatically, and even adjusting to changing market conditions. Imagine earning money while you sleep, simply by having your money invested in the right places. That's the power of AI-driven investing. It's not about getting rich quick. It's about making smart, data-driven decisions that can help you build long-term wealth. If you're looking for a way to potentially grow your money without spending hours staring at charts and graphs, AI-driven investing might be the answer you've been looking for.
All right, let's be real. Nobody likes doing repetitive, time-consuming tasks. That's where AI-enhanced productivity and automation tools come in to save the day. Think of these tools as your personal assistants, ready to tackle those mundane tasks so you can focus on the things that really matter. Platforms like Notion AI, Zapier, and UiPath are like having a team of interns who never sleep, never complain, and always get the job done. Imagine writing a blog post, but instead of staring at a blank page for hours, Notion AI can help you generate ideas, write outlines, and even draft entire sections of your post. It's like having a brainstorming partner who always brings their A game. Then there's Zapier, the automation king. It connects all your favorite apps and automates tasks between them. Imagine this. You get a new email subscriber, Zapier automatically adds them to your email list, sends them a welcome email, and even adds their information to your CRM. It's like having a personal assistant who manages all your digital paperwork. And for those who want to automate even more complex tasks, there's UiPath. This platform specializes in robotic process automation, which means it can automate tasks that involve interacting with multiple applications, websites, and databases. It's like having a robot intern who can do all the boring, repetitive stuff that would normally take you hours to complete. But here's the real beauty of these tools. They free up your time and mental energy so you can focus on what you do best. Whether it's creating content, building relationships, or simply enjoying your life outside of work, AI-enhanced productivity and automation tools can help you achieve a better work-life balance. By automating tasks and streamlining your workflow, you can take on more clients, work on higher-paying projects, and ultimately increase your earning potential. So, if you're ready to ditch the busy work and embrace a more efficient way of working, AI-enhanced productivity and automation tools are your new secret weapons. Embrace the future of work and start reclaiming your time today. Okay, so you've created amazing content, you're reaching your target audience, but how do you turn those views into actual dollars? That's where AI-powered content monetization platforms come in. These platforms are like your financial advisors, helping you navigate the complex world of online advertising, affiliate marketing, and everything in between. Platforms like TubeBuddy, Vidicue, and Ezoic are changing the game for content creators. They use AI to analyze your audience, optimize your content for search engines, and even recommend the best times to post for maximum engagement. It's like having a team of marketing experts working behind the scenes to make sure your content gets seen by the right people. TubeBuddy and Vidicue are like secret weapons for YouTubers. They provide you with in-depth analytics, keyword research tools, and even A/B testing capabilities to help you optimize your titles, descriptions, tags, and thumbnails for maximum visibility. It's like having a direct line to the YouTube algorithm, helping you crack the code and get more views, subscribers, and watch time. If you're a blogger or website owner, Ezoic can help you optimize your ad revenue. It uses AI to test different ad placements, sizes, and networks to find the perfect combination that maximizes your earnings without sacrificing user experience. These platforms are constantly evolving. As AI technology advances, we can expect even more sophisticated tools and features that will help us monetize our content in new and innovative ways. So, whether you're a YouTuber, blogger, podcaster, or any type of content creator, AI-powered content monetization platforms are essential for turning your passion into profit. Embrace the future of content creation and start earning the revenue you deserve. So there you have it, a glimpse into the exciting world of AI-powered content creation. From generating ideas to automating tasks and monetizing your content, AI is changing the game for creators of all levels.
Remember, while AI can be a powerful tool for generating passive income, it requires effort, strategy, and ongoing learning to be successful. Stay updated on the latest AI developments and be willing to adapt your approach as the technology evolves. The world of AI is constantly changing, so it's important to stay ahead of the curve and embrace new tools and techniques. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights into the world of AI and content creation.